Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the WILLHI WH2408 Temperature Controller. We're going to open it up and show you what it looks like and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Okay, so as we get this out of its box, you'll find your kind of your thermostat, if you will. The main plug into your wall outlet, receive, and of course this will go right into this base to kind of monitor temperatures, and we'll show you that in a second. Read your instruction manual, make sure you're familiar with everything that goes on. Not much to demonstrate. I'm going to turn it on and show you kind of some of the basics, but it's really just a simplified system to kind of set a temperature so you can control the on and off. As you can see, very easy to set the turn on and set the turn off. So we'll plug it in and show you what it looks like. All right, so when we plug it in, you'll see based on what we're at right now, it's saying it's 74.7. I would argue it's a little bit lighter than that. Maybe it's 73.7. But I'm not gonna really get crazy about it. So turn on, set your temperature. Again, to click on, if I wanted to turn on at this temperature and turn off at, say, 80 degrees. This is really something I would use and plan to use specifically for the outside garage, where I have a refrigerator that I want to make sure the temperature stays kind of at the right temperature, because if it gets too cold, the refrigerator stops. So I have a mini heater out there that I will turn on, and I'll usually set it for about 60 degrees, and then obviously I want to keep it at that level, and I turn it off basically at about 65, because I don't want to necessarily get it really hot in there, and hopefully you can see those numbers. So what I'll do is literally just anything below 60 degrees, I have it kick on, and so my garage will generally be kept at about 60 to 65 degrees. Now this is in set mode over here, so when done, I just switch it over to lock, and it should be locked up and not be able to change as I spin these dials. So if I want to move it over to set, I move that on there. As you can see, I can mount this right on the wall, and then I just plug my heater into this, and as you can tell, it's 3 prongs, which is awesome. So this thing is awesome, really cool. If you hold the temperature, you'll see that as I hold this, it kind of adjusts very quickly to my body temperature. So really good, and we'll see as it cools off how quickly it adjusts down. Yeah, so it's just going to start shooting down. So this thing is really great. Hopefully this review kind of gives you an idea of what you're doing. Love these things. Hope this review helped. Definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.